Instant Neuro! The brain has 4 ventricles. First we have the left and right lateral ventricles, which curve through each cerebral hemisphere. Each lateral ventricle has 5 parts: the anterior horn, body, posterior horn, inferior horn, and atrium. Next, we have the third ventricle, a midline cavity in the diencephalon. The third ventricle has a donut-like shape and a hole in the middle that corresponds to the interthalamic adhesion. Finally, we have the fourth ventricle. This cavity is flanked by the cerebellum posteriorly and the pons and rostral medulla anteriorly. The fourth ventricle has a tent-like shape with a double-peaked roof. The 4 ventricles are connected by foramina. The left and right interventricular foramina, or foramen of Monro, connect the lateral ventricles with the third ventricle. The cerebral aqueduct, or aqueduct of Sylvius, connects the third ventricle with the fourth ventricle. From the fourth ventricle, connections are made to the subarachnoid space via the median aperture, or foramen of Magendie, which connects to the cerebellomedullary cistern, and the left and right lateral aperture, or foramen of Luschka, which connect to the quadrigeminal cistern. A block at any of these passages leads to dilation of one or more ventricles, as CSF outflow is obstructed. This condition is called hydrocephalus and may be accompanied by a range of symptoms, including downcast eyes, irritability, seizures, drowsiness, and vomiting. If the skull is still pliable, as it is in most children younger than 2 years of age, the head may enlarge. Instant Neuro!